Good afternoon, Rise and Shine window cleaners. How can I help you?
Yeah, hello?
Hi there.
Hello, you see, I kind of going to need a window being cleaned, but, the only this one time, is that okay? Because I have very big problem on the window, you see.
Okay, yeah, we offer a one-off cleaning service.
Yeah, so just one time, because you see, I have very embarrassing problem, well, I have big fetish for ducks, okay, so some ducks fly by, I see them through a window, and then I just bam, the explosion,
Right, okay. Well, I'm just on the main reception. I don't deal with it. We're one available to the department that deals with it. Would you like me to get them to give you a call back to run through that with you?
With the explosion, no, not in the best interest of me, but let me tell you, these ducks, do you have any ducks near you, by the way?
I'm really sorry, but your line's really muffled. I'm struggling to understand what you're saying.
Oh, shame. Oh, I am saying, ducks, your ducks.
So, Doc,
Ducks.
what do you mean? Sorry, Doc?
The bird.
I'm sorry, I don't know what you mean by that.
The duck, lay explosion on window.
You've had an explosion
No,
on the window.
duck explode on window.
A dock explodes on the window.
Not in that way, you see. He lay, white explosion on window,
Right, I'm really sorry, but the line is really muffled. I'm not catching what you're saying. I'm sorry.
What if I said like this? Is this any better?
It's not, sorry. The line's really muffled. I don't know if I'm on loudspeaker because I can hear an echo, but it's just really muffled, the line.
Oh, that very bad. Oh, shame. But I just need confirmation that one of your people can come and help fix my duck explosion. You see, I have strong fetish for ducks. Okay, so I make explosion on window over ducks.
Do you mean duck as being a duck that goes on a pond?
Yeah, I have fetish for them.
Okay, so you've got a fetish for ducks, and a duck has exploded.
No, you don't understand. I have Christmas dinner, okay? I have duck, I see duck, I make explosion, and on window, now try on window, big explosion.
I see. You've tried to cook duck for dinner, and it's gone on the window.
Yeah.
Right,
I get.
okay. If you want me to get them to call you back, I can.
I can't really do that because my phone,
Okay.
see, I don't have any. My phone won't really work for long. You see, I found
Okay.
I found this somewhere else. I'm going to have to return it, you see.
Okay, well, we do offer one-off cleaning service. I don't think that would be a problem. I'm sorry, I'm not in that department, so if you can have a call back, I don't know if you want to try them again shortly.
No, it's okay. I don't mind. I just want to know one last thing. Well, you see, my wife died long ago. That's why I have ducks fetish. You really remind me of a duck. So will you go out with me?
Okay, guys, thanks for calling.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Every
Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye. Oh, are you still there? Oh, Rakishata. I'm very sad. Oh, such shame. Oh, I'm very sad. Oh, poor me. Anyway, guys, subscribe. Nice video. Danke. Goodbye. Goodbye.